Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Nokia G21. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here begin search for an app. Write Microsoft Edge. Select this app and click install. After installation process is complete, we can open our app. From here we can customize it by signing in or creating new account for the Microsoft Edge browser on multiple devices. I'm gonna do it later. Next step is to enable or disable sharing data preferences. I'm gonna disable it like that and then press confirm. From here you can also set Microsoft Edge as your default browser. Simply click set default and then select Edge and set as default. Now the browser will be ready and you can open any website and it should work without any problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.